guys, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. This week, we're gonna be working on a ton of different projects, and I had a question for you guys. But subscribe first before you answer. All right, done yet? All right, cool. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. So I wanted to ask you guys a question, and I'm gonna label this in two different ways, so it's very easy to answer. Option 1 or option 2. Option 1, do you guys like seeing vlogs daily and just seeing the projects kind of progress throughout the week? Or option 2, do you guys like to see the full project from beginning to end in one vlog? So with that said, when we do option 2, it takes a little bit longer. The vlogs don't come out as consistently, as quickly, but let me know what you guys think. Option 1 or option 2? You don't have to even write option. You can just write 1 or 2. Comment below, let me know, and let's just get into what we're gonna be doing today. So this car right here, we wrapped a long time ago. A long time ago. If you go back, you could see the full video of when we actually got this car and when we actually did the full wrap. This was one of Johnnee Tsunami's, one of our wrap installers here, his first project with Premium. So really cool to go back and see the footage. Cut back to a couple clips. Thing looks sick, car is still looking awesome. Let me grab a camera to show these guys what it looks like. Still looking really, really good. Full wrap, everything lasted, everything looks clean, but there were some issues. So I'll show you guys what happened. It looks like at some point, some damage was done to the Rocket Bunny kit. It was also repaired, so you can see a little bit of Bondo there, and obviously the wrap got damaged. Woo! Instead of replacing that panel, keeping the look, most people who wrap their car get this itch, get this feel because they've done it before. They want to do it again, and this is what's the word?
I don't know. How many times people come back to get
All the time. So that's what I'm trying to get at.
I'm tired of this. After a while, they're like, you know, I want something new.
Yeah, dude, I think because it gets so easy, you know, like after somebody figures out how easy it actually is to rewrap a car or change it, they want to do it. And once you do it once, you want to do it twice and 3 times. And it's not uncommon for us to wrap cars multiple times. And that's what we're going to be doing here. So today, I'm going to be unwrapping this car. I'm going to spend the next probably 4 hours of my life unwrapping it. I'll try to time lapse it, speed it up for you guys so you don't have to see it. But hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, please comment below about anything. Anything wrap related, business related, YouTube related, whatever it is, comment below. We'll do our best to answer. All of us are in the comment section every single day when these videos go up. So somebody will be there to answer you guys. I want to get more involved with you guys. I want to communicate with you guys. Please comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe, and let's get into it. Morning. Dude, look at you, bro. You look like Richie Valens. Sexy motherfucker. What's up, Mitch?
Yo.
You look like Mitchie.
Thanks.
You look good.
So happy right outside, bro. Happy
That happened right now?
Yeah.
Damn, you didn't get my Motivation Monday quote on Instagram, did you? Damn.
I couldn't see. I tried to open my phone, but I got like
What kind of phone is that? Yo, anybody got an iPhone screen? Hook a brother up.
Oh no, dude!
Oh, you're supposed to do that last. He specifically asked me. He goes, "Yo, we're gonna take the banner off." But last.
Sorry, yelling at Anthony.
The customer emailed me and said, "Look, I'm gonna send back what he sent to me, and Cannen is the one that signed it off. Anthony was the one that packed it." Alright, pack it. Alright. So, I don't want to put you on the spot, but I'm going to. So you and Anthony packed something. You could be in here, Christian, you could be here for this. You guys packed something and shipped something out to a customer. He was very upset, and it wasn't his order, and it was something that was personally belongs to you, actually.
To me?
Yes, one of your personal belongings, bro.
What was it?
Oh
You know what it is?
no. No. I'm scared. I'm like,
Where is it?
So my guess is that you were rushing, and you threw it in a box and you shipped it to a customer.
Okay. What was it?
He's mailing it back. He mailed it back to us.
Okay.
And I told him that I would film the unboxing because I want to see your reaction to it because I can't believe you shipped this.
Okay.
Where's it at? Yeah, you fucked up, bro. Damn, they packaged it super nice.
Yo. Word. I was so scared. Oh, this is so tight.
Wait, what is it? I'm scared.
Oh,
That's tight. Look at me though. I'm shaking.
Man, you told me about that.
Hey, your man's over here picked that up for you.
Dude, thank you, bro. Thank you.
What's up, bro?
Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good? Alright, hey, but you gotta hang that up here.
Up here?
I'm just kidding.
I was gonna put it in my room.
That was the best unboxing video I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yo, this dude's the biggest X fan in the whole world, so I hope you love it. I didn't buy it for you, but I hope you love it.
I do love it.
Dude, I almost had a heart attack.
I did too, and then I was
Yo,
like,
I was f***ing with all of these dudes' minds. They're all tripping.
then I was like, when the f did I send something in there? I'm shaking so bad. Look at it. Oh god. I thought I was gonna get fired.
Alright, so our customer requested us to take off the
Hi,
hood and... Hi, Pun!
There you go. See?
Alright guys, so he wanted us Anyways, the customer wanted us to take off the hood and the trunks and replace them with new parts in it. So that's what we're doing right now. Gonna take off the trunk and take off the hood in a few minutes. Cool?
Don't point at me, you point at them.
No, that's my confirmation. That's my segment, guys.
Yo, Anthony, I remember when you were just a kid. We started working here, now you're a grown man. You're all grown up. I love you.
Aww.
Thanks for being a good dad.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
How's it going so far?
Flawlessly, it's super easy. You're lying, dude. My fingers hurt. Now we're like about an hour in. Almost everything's removed. I think the hard part about unwrapping this car is we got to remove all of the parts. Basically, the rocket bunny kit has to come off, all the way down to like the diffuser. Diffuser has to come off because when we wrap these parts, these are off. So to give you an example, we wrap the bumper, then we put the diffuser on, which means all this material is stuck under the diffuser. So that has to come off. And obviously the kit came off, door handles, fenders. I don't know why I'm doing all this. I'm going on like 30 minutes of sleep last night. So.
Oh damn!
No, this is difficult, dude. My fingers freaking hurt. The rocket bunny kit's off. We gotta take window trims off, door handles, mirrors. We're gonna remove the hood because we're gonna be doing a new hood on the car. Who fucking did that?
This guy, like me.
Edwin, I've challenged you to another race.
Want to lose again?
I beat you, fool.
You're talking about I ran more than you.
No, you didn't. You
So
chose,
what? That's not how a race
you
works.
chose to do that. I don't know why. Loser. Waking up just for the outro. Let's go to the front room for the outro. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh! All right, guys. It is now 7 p.m. and I want to end this on saying this. If If you want to do something, you want to build a business, you want to go crazy, and you want to make an empire, you got to build a team. Not only do you got to build a team, you got to build a reliable, skilled team. So it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of work. But here at Premium, I'm so grateful that we've done that. You know, over the past couple, probably 5-6 years, I've got some of the best people in the industry here in the shop. You know, so today, multiple projects went down, from unwrapping the Rocket Bunny FRS to removing the wide body kit to now prepping the vehicle for the wrap. Also, another vehicle came in, a Subaru Ascent, that we did a full disassembly and got ready and actually started wrapping already. So I believe they're gonna be in 2 different videos, so 2 separate videos. Like I asked you guys earlier in the vlog, please let me know what format you guys like better. Do you guys like the day-to-day vlogs where more content is produced on a regular basis, or do you guys like the full, thorough, full project recap? With that said, the content comes a little slower, so maybe 1, 2, 3 videos a week, but you get more of like a project from start to finish. Or do you just like tuning in daily? Let me know, comment below. We really want to take your feedback and just run with it and give you guys what you want. We appreciate the support. We appreciate you guys watching the channel. Make sure you subscribe. We're only 10,000 subscribers away from giving away a free car wrap. If you guys don't know about that, what are you guys doing? You need to watch this channel more. We give away a car wrap every 100,000 subscribers, meaning that when we hit 200K this time, we're giving away another car wrap. Anybody in the whole wide world can win. I don't care where it's at. This is an opportunity for myself and my team to go anywhere, wherever you guys win, go wrap a vehicle somewhere for you guys. Whether it be in your mom's garage, under a tent, I don't care, or in the case of our last car wrap. If you go watch the other video, which I'll link up above, we went out to Utah. When we went to Utah to give this car wrap away, the first 100,000 subscriber giveaway, a wrap shop said, "Hey Daniel, you're coming to town, come wrap in my shop." And we got to do that, and we made a lifelong friend with Inkwise Graphics. That was amazing. So hopefully for the next 200,000 subscriber giveaway, we get something like that, because that was amazing. That worked out really well. But let's give away another car wrap. Go subscribe, 10,000 subscribers away, and we're gonna meet one of you guys. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Edwin, right there, touch it.